is it?
Mommy, go look.
That's amazing, Georgie.
Daddy,
What's Daddy opening?
Get another chair for the kitchen.
It's there, Mommy.
Is it a chair for the kitchen?
Mommy, go.
Another
Look,
one.
it's
Oh, wow.
there's lots of things I have.
What do you say to Uncle Billy?
Look,
Who gave you this, Georgie?
Daddy, look what I have.
Oh, that's lovely. What is
Georgie, who they gave you this present?
Oh, Daddy, open it up.
it? Okay. Oh, I think I know what this is.
Georgie, where did you get this Peppa Pig present from?
From Uncle Billy, Mum.
Oh, what do you say to Uncle Billy?
Would you say thank you very much?
Can you say thank you?
No kitchen table.
A kitchen table.
Let's get that. There you go.
But look, a kitchen table.
Oh my goodness!
Mommy, look down.
Oh wow, I see it!
And so it's
Okay, gotta go get Ella.